Morgan, can you share with the audience the obstacles that hiring teams tend to face, to prevent them from delivering a seamless onboarding experience?
Yeah, of course. So some organizations might have some outdated or clunky systems, and some of the challenges that they typically experience with these are, new drivers are having to enter the same candidate information into multiple systems. Nobody likes to do that. You want to give the information once and be done with it. And quite frankly, then candidates are dropping out of the process if they're continually putting in the same information time and time again. And they can go someplace else and do it quicker, faster, and more efficiently. They want to be hired and start making money today, right? Another common challenge is users creating driver files manually instead of it just being auto put out there. Users having to pull data from multiple sources to ultimately feed that information into the driver qualification file. And really, this can lead to a lot of inaccuracies. If you're pulling information from multiple systems, there's a chance that you could do so incorrectly, right? Another one would be tracking data points in separate systems. So if we think about MVR monitoring being in one system, driver qualifications being in another system, and potentially having different stakeholders manage those, you run the risk of potentially having drivers be non-compliant on the road just because those systems are not speaking to each other and it's not kind of one end-to-end solution that you can kind of easily be able to see everything. And then another one that really kind of encompasses all of these challenges are when you have separate systems and you have separate vendors, you're also going to have separate account managers. So if you have questions, concerns, issues that you need to speak with somebody, you might be speaking with 3 different account managers of different organizations to ultimately push the driver all the way through the onboarding process. And quite frankly, this is, time consuming for the users and just difficult in, the day-to-day tasks when that person's already very, very busy in their role.